Hey everyone, so I am on my way to Edinburgh. So this video is going to be about my trip to Edinburgh. I'm going to go meet up with all the Trowel Talk guys and also Eric from Ask the Plasterer. They have organised this event, so we're going to be meeting up in Edinburgh. So I was going to go up in the train to Edinburgh, but the problem I've got is that I wouldn't be able to get back because of train strikes. So I'm heading off there this morning. I'm going to drive there. I'm going to go meet up with one of my mates up in Glasgow, and then I'm going to scoot over on a train and go to Edinburgh. And then I'm going to go and do the podcast with Stuart and Eric and a few of the other guys. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting trip. So let's get going. Right, so I'm on my way. It says it's going to take me 4 hours and 15 minutes. Well, from here onwards anyway. Cut out a bit of time, but yeah, I think it's going to be a long trip. But you know, it is what it is. You do these things if you want to be a YouTuber. But yeah, it's going to be a long trip. I'm going to have some tactical stops on the way for some toilet breaks, but really I need to just plough through. Right guys, so I am now at the train station ready to go in, and I've missed my first train, so I was hoping to be there for 5:30, but now I'm going to be in there at 6. So yeah, oh well, these things happen. But we'll be going to see the podcast, so I'll go and see everyone in a bit. Right, I've made it here. I'm just in a rush now because I got lost. But I'm on the way to the pub. Right, let's go see everyone. Hey, you're okay. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Yes, I have. Hey, how you doing, Eric?
Mate, well done. Mr. Parry.
How you doing?
Flesh, how are you, sir?
Yeah, good.
You good?
Yeah, nice to see you all in flesh.
Good journey.
Long.
Was it?
Right guys, thank you very much. Right guys, we actually did this podcast. It's in one of my other videos. Now, we did a couple of podcasts while we were over there, so we'll be putting links so that you can click on each of them and see what happens.
Back to Coventry, so.
Yeah, but I'm going to be here for another day, and we'll get some of the other lads together and we'll do another one. I am on my way back into Edinburgh. Last night was really good. It was good to catch up with Stu and the rest of the gang, so I'm going back in today because I'm up in Glasgow. But yeah, I'm on my way there now to the train station, and we'll see everybody else and do a bit more vlogging. I might do another podcast with Eric. But yeah, just on my way to the station now. Be 45 minutes in, then I'll go and get some breakfast. Right. A selfie stick this. Nobody can see it. You can't see it, can you, Eric? It's invisible.
It's invisible, man.
It's invisible. Yeah, well it does, yeah.
Look on the train, yeah? We're going up that tower. Possibly go look at the monument side.
Like more steps. Could you see me when we're... That's the view. Yeah, this is not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I have a champion.
Gonna find it with a raspberry. I'm gonna go home with a drink problem after this. Probably, mate.
Yeah, the view here is terrible. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. Really disappointing, really, you know. I like it when I can just see concrete everywhere.
Yeah,
houses. Yeah, but lovely place, Edinburgh.
I like that. I kept thinking, no, where is he? Oh, he's got the
He's got, yeah, that's a classic t-shirt.
He's here in spirit.
He's there in spirit.
Yeah, so just do it. It's not.
It is. Right, hi everyone. So the other lads are over there. We are in Edinburgh. This is the view. It's crazy.
He's on deck.
Yeah. So today we're going to do a little podcast on the importance of the plastering community. So because this is for Trowel Talk, the meetup is basically, so we thought that we would talk about the importance of community in the plastering community. Oh my god, how many times did I say community? Community.
Yeah, but we haven't kept saying guys, though, have we yet?
No, no.
Anyway, guys.
I don't mind. If I Oh, nice.
That's one of my claims to fame. I've never seen one Harry Potter film.
You're missing out, that's all I'm going to say.
It's like Star Wars. I've never seen any.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking of. I'm going to walk down the middle of the street and okay. I was trying to find something little to play for my little ones. Don't know why I bothered.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that over here. Well, at the first night, obviously, I never had a lot of sleep, I never really had much time over it. I've got double bubble, I reckon.
Just make a little squeak when I'm doing it.
I know, I wish I had a hat now.
I talked about getting some sunscreen the other day. But...
It's been a pleasure, guys.
Yeah, well done, Anthony.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the drinks and for the company.
Nice to meet you. Hi, bye.
Yes.
Well done for making it down, mate.
Yeah, no, it's been great.
It's been
really,
an absolute
really
pleasure.
enjoyed meeting you all, and say goodbye to the other lads as well.
Yeah, we'll do. Well, if we can find Danny, will be in a restaurant somewhere.
They'll be stuffing their face with those steaks now. They won't be giving us a second thought, will they?
No, definitely not. Thank you for us.
Right, guys, thank you.
Thanks, Early, mate. And,
I'll see you all at the next one.
yeah, looking forward to it. See you back.
Thank you. See you guys. Right, off to the train station. Right, I've just finally got back home. I just got back home this second. It has been a great couple of days. Meeting up with everyone from the Trowel Talk group has been great. And also I've had a chance to go and meet up with my mates that I haven't seen in ages. So yeah, it's been a good couple of days. I think it's taken me about 6 hours to get back. So yeah, I'm knackered now, but yeah, I'm looking forward to going back in and seeing the kids and stuff. They're not back yet, so I'll see them in a bit. But yeah, great time, great people. Hopefully we'll do this again next year and we'll make this a bit more of a regular thing. Yeah, Stuart and Eric, I've got to say a big thanks to them because they're the ones who organised it. And yeah, it was just really good to catch up with everybody, and hopefully we can make this a bit bigger every year. But yeah, this has been it's been really good. It's been a nice journey home. The sun has been shining, and yeah, I'm happy to be back home. But yeah, it was really great to meet up with everybody. I would have liked to have stayed a bit longer, but you know, it's how it is sometimes. But at least I got to meet up with everybody. Right, guys, I've got a little interview I did with Eric, and there is the one that I've done with Stuart that's already on the channel. So if you haven't seen them, go and check them out. But yeah, thanks for watching this little vlog on my trip to Edinburgh to meet everybody. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also remember to like and subscribe to Eric and Stuart's group, Trowel Talk, and I think Eric's going to change his name to Ask the Plasterer as well. So go and subscribe to those two channels on YouTube, and also the Facebook group, Trowel Talk Help. The Trowel Talk Help group on Facebook as well. They're great places, and there are always good people who are willing there to help everybody. Right, anyway, thanks guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.